Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach. Formatting tags are used to style and structure text in a web page, enhancing its appearance and meaning. B tag versus strong tag. Both make text bold, but they have different meanings. B tag. It is purely for styling and used to visually bold text without adding any semantic meaning. Strong tag is used to bold text and also adds semantic meaning that the text is important. I tag versus tag. Both italicize text, but they serve different purposes. I tag it is purely for styling and does not indicate any additional importance or stress, and used to visually italicize text without adding any semantic emphasis. EM tag is used to italicizes the text and adds semantic meaning, indicating the content is emphasized or important in the context. UI tag versus ins tag. Both underline text, but with distinct meanings. U tag or underline tag is used to underline text purely for visual styling. Ins tag or inserted text tag is used to represent newly inserted text in a document. Next is del tag or delete tag. Represents deleted or removed text, often displayed with a strike-through. Mark tag. Highlights text, drawing the reader's attention. Small tag, it displays text in a smaller font size, often used for fine print. Subtag and subtag. Used for subscripts and superscripts in technical or scientific contexts. Subscript is used to displays text below the baseline. Superscript is used to displays text above the baseline.